Do you say he don't like coffee? Uh-oh, that's a mistake. In this video, we'll show you 20 simple speaking errors beginners make and how to fix them fast. Let's learn together and start speaking English with confidence.
Hey, Rena, how are you today?
Hello, David. I am fine, thank you. And you?
I'm great, thanks. Hey, I wanted to talk to you about something today.
What is it?
Many English learners make small mistakes when speaking. Let's fix some of them together through a conversation.
Oh, yes. I make many mistakes. I want to fix them.
Great. Let's start with greetings. Can you greet me?
Good morning. How are you?
I'm good, thank you.
I'm fine, thank you. Good morning.
You already said good morning. Once is enough.
Oh, so I don't need to say it again?
No, just once. Like this. Good morning.
Good morning.
That's it. Short and simple.
Okay, I understand. One time is enough.
Do you like learning English?
Yes.
Why do you like it?
Yes.
That's okay, but try to give more details. When someone asks why, we need to explain.
Oh, okay. Like what?
Try this. Yes, I like learning English because it helps me speak with people from other countries.
Yes. I like learning English because it helps me speak with people from other countries.
Almost say helps with an S.
Because it helps me.
Perfect.
Okay, let me try again. Yes, I like learning English because it helps me speak with people from other countries.
Very good. That's a complete answer. Did you study English yesterday?
Yes, I studied English last night.
Oops. Remember, if the question is past, the answer must be past too.
Oh, past tense. So it should be I studied.
Yes. Try it.
Yes, I studied English last night.
Great. Let's do more. Did you watch a movie last week?
Yes, I watch a movie.
Try again.
Yes, I watched a movie last week.
Well done. Or you can answer, yes, I did.
My teacher is nice. She teach me well.
Careful. Say, she teaches me well.
Oh, because it is she.
Yes, he, she, and it need an S at the end of the verb.
Okay, she teaches, he helps, it works.
Perfect. Let's practice. My mother, help.
My mother helps me.
My dog, run.
My dog runs fast.
You got it.
There were much students at the event.
We say many students.
Why not much students?
Because students are countable. We say many students.
Oh, so many for countable and much for uncountable.
Exactly. Example, many apples, much water.
Many books, much sugar.
Great job.
Sorry, can you repeat again?
We just say, can you repeat that? No, again.
Why?
Repeat already means to say again. Saying again is double.
Ah, can you repeat that, please?
Excellent. Or say, could you say that again?
I will remember.
Do you think grammar is important?
Yes, I am agree.
We don't use am with agree.
So, just I agree?
That's right.
I agree with you.
Well done.
I am interesting on movies.
Say, I am interested in movies.
Oh, interested in.
Yes, let's try more. I'm good.
I'm good at drawing.
Perfect.
He don't like coffee.
Try, he doesn't like coffee.
Oh, he doesn't. She doesn't.
But with I, you, they, we use don't.
I don't. You don't. He doesn't.
Correct.
I very like English.
Say, I like English very much.
I like it very much.
Or, I really like English.
I really like learning English with you.
That's sweet. Thank you. How old are you?
I have 20 years old.
Say, I am 20 years old.
Oh, I am 20.
Yes. In English, we use am for age.
I am 20 years old. Got it.
Interview is ending. Say goodbye.
Okay, bye-bye.
Let's try, thank you for your time. It was a pleasure.
Thank you for your time. It was a pleasure.
So polite and professional. What's your opinion on classroom discipline?
What you say?
Try, sorry, could you repeat that, please?
Sorry? Could you repeat that, please?
Wonderful. Why do you want to learn English?
Because I want...
It's okay. Take your time.
I want to learn English because I want to travel.
Very good. No need for too many ums.
Okay, I will be calm and speak slowly. I am a cooker in a restaurant.
Not cooker, Rena. A cooker is a machine. You are a cook.
Oh, I am a cook.
That's right. A cooker is something you use to cook rice.
I am not a machine.
Definitely not. You are a great cook.
This movie is so much interesting.
Let's fix that. Say, this movie is very interesting.
Why not so much interesting?
We use so much with nouns. Use very with adjectives.
So, very interesting, very happy, very beautiful.
Exactly. You got it.
The party was very funny.
Do you mean it was fun?
Maybe. What's the difference?
Funny means something that makes you laugh. Fun means enjoyable.
Oh, the party was fun.
Yes, a joke is funny. A party is fun.
Let's make a photo.
In English, we say, take a photo.
Oh, let's take a photo.
That's right. We don't make photos, we take them.
Got it. Take a photo, take a break, take a rest.
Perfect examples.
This dress is too beautiful.
Do you mean very beautiful?
Yes.
Too means more than good, usually in a bad way.
Oh, so too hot means bad hot?
Yes, too hot to eat.
Then I should say, this dress is very beautiful.
Excellent.
Please say, good morning, but don't say it twice. Please say, yes, I like learning English because, but don't just say, yes. Please say, I studied, but don't say, I study when talking about the past. Please say, she teaches, but don't say, she teach. Please say, many students, but don't say, much students. Please say, can you repeat that? But don't say, repeat again. Please say, I agree, but don't say, I am agree. Please say, interested in, but don't say, interesting on. Please say, he doesn't like, but don't say, he don't like. Please say, I like it very much, but don't say, I very like it. Please say, I am 20 years old, but don't say, I have 20 years old. Please say, thank you for your time, but don't just say, bye-bye. Please say, could you repeat that, please? But don't say what you say. Please speak clearly and confidently, but don't use too many like, because. Please say, I am a cook, but don't say, I am a cooker. Please say, very interesting, but don't say, so much interesting. The party was fun, but don't say, the party was funny unless people were laughing. Please say, let's take a photo, but don't say, make a photo. Please say, very beautiful, but don't say, too beautiful unless it's a problem.
Great job, my friend. You did amazing today by learning how to fix common English mistakes. Now it's your turn. Try to speak more and use the correct phrases in real life. If this video helped you, please click the like button. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy English lessons every week.